Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo, former MP Domi Kwabena Entwetwe nkomo ne musa ne se ade no etesen pa nkomo a etwa wiem yi se na esitie Honorable memo wachiba okay FM so na upomboko de
oh Akufo Addo ma me ye o de ma akodi ma ba so ma me free mu
me ma wa free mu a why me ma wa free mu na we de yenhye ayi no ase yemfanfi incident si ye no ase na yehunu de ade be na si pote pa ma etuo ni ade kwa kan wo because ebra woni ho no binum be kan se ane wo kwa koduru ho no e na wo yi tuo e na wo tuo na se na adwa no a minim no dada dai wono obetutuo se de ben wadawuma de na si ho pa sana yemra eyi no so hihye so
you mean other money the kind me that so wa mama ya kwenye wo tide so metia Ato Forson na titio ne Kristo asafo ma wo mutie ni na mada obibia se sempenso a bebi amekotu ye wo nkwanta so a ye nyankopon na se yi mefi mutie na ma bedu bebi amedu me to na se na Bible kam ena mefi mu afi
na incident no that fateful day no wo kwakwa se challenge na hyewo na ye che ye titi yesu dru wana
kwame ye si ene die ene baby ade me copy ene die ni du se bibia nyame ye nyina ni ta kra toye na e wo si yi opi a obeye kandi for dia ma na sorry aye pisa asafo na papa ewo constitution a otchere edema na safo ma udi kan ye baako emu no na oye se minia Kojo Israel kono odi na sine na aso ni sisoni wa ono eni sina nemu na undi asafo nemu iti omana kunya ema wotna na kincheme otiasie ni semu na mo bega na didi ni eme ni ehwe no se anka oni wa odi nechi ebega no so obehwa asafo ne so aman ko ebi an amendment to the constitution na why they are talking about that the never article 26 no and na no nko for no they are fixing baby and social media se papa but there's an amendment to that article 26 which is article 12 of the amended constitution and na obo ono ne bad poti ni din ba ko betinye diate nemum Israel Kojo Safo yedin ane papa won wo te to no no so be fa Kojo Safo akofana ne wa asasi su de kan ho papa ne steady ni na categorically oboni din na obi o sam ono asini din no abefa wo asasi su de aka ho which means the man was not mixing his words say ono we need free adidie ni it is article 26 no wa amending wa cancel we repeal and no need ye kotu baby ayedua papa ni mu no afanu efa ese wo mo pen efa so se papa yi wonti ye mpewo intiamra me na nti ye se mu ye bibi san e ba wa be ka tere wo se ni kuma with this confusion and Koko ye bibia e petre se wo sa kosi wo ehene na fere pe ye tu ye anfana ni ankura papa ti kura anfana ya bedwe ne adidie And then I did copy and then we say, almost the court in Jama draw my attention to a court injunction. Say more about the you near Chelsea in Fofro. Now, Kabea, without the injunction, Uncle Tutrasuni Kura Akorendi. And meeting a medical PO, Miko, I was not armed. I want to put it on record. Let me inquire too. Me inquire my bodyguard in Unity, my driver and coming home. Let me share t-shirt, I share Talewati, I share my shorts because it was a Sunday, and my mammy share. Now, I'm you only saving me and go on the or sending your enemy. Am I appears a cranny a question week? We get into the Yayan and I am born in the second rows, no, and some year ship, yes, a week in at the Atosu. It's a yet to make me and one of them. I mean, if you on a Sunday, there's no Sunday to be a relaxed to be with you. Into the far, there was a cap, army war, Michael Kors cap, and I'm the same, and I'm a tam t-shirt to be share, and I'm a share me shorts. Kalawapin, I'm a driver, yet the good Ruminian, a gator. And I have been a member of parliament, or I was a member of parliament for 12 years. I would be able to easily, I am violent at election time. Throughout my record as a member of parliament, what that say, na Tritu or polling station being put down, I say election confusion, be about Mama Tritu.
Debbie,
if you who can grow to ni pasua. What the two is so crying, I bet Kwaku be a very big panel pass record. Ye befe, na ye, Ebi Ato the I say, Nipana more can one thing, will you be or ye to trust him? Why ye be da? Wouldn't be sad da? My politics in Pono man, ye be more. Again, a become me, made it to a better me who truly from me will be da, mean to be da. When I about see a best, ye back near Barresto. Move in two more battle do a good feel. In two do a good feel. You are the one now who hold it into
me honorable for the records, no, wouldn't to.
Now, then, about to come here, many of them are winning me, and one is not haifa. Me true toward that, and I mean, that before I told me being one of my cotton and my cotton. And I mean, you'll be a maker, many in Gofoko hunting. Me kwabo trema nko hunting boda na waka se me kotu etu bi ababu ebi na mafa te fia betoto ari me nye bida nti I don't see where that is coming from. Then mo na ye ba wo fie mo na ye be effect an arrest na ye se sa tu mo ba ni tu wo ho no die wo die what should keep 48 bullets in my car and I mean the saving me sada no kwame now me enemy no kasa me ti we me ti ne save half baby abobo ni gugu ya ye na ye sesi and na ya ye surgery they haven't shown any sign of remorse, and that's at the end of the mobile.
Hey, honorable, who do if you hon? A man is saying, almost says, almost you know, a bouse, a walk on him.
We could now move halfway. It's all in my statement. I'm a demand police, you know. I can make it available to you. Now, what kind? No, I was just inquiring, sending me an over him. Don't be a 2.5 the friend gate no halfway. Move here, your mako to gate, maybe a Akoto from gate now. Oh, Kwame, gate now, you're really. Oh, any idea, only only feels a chance. You won't see it to meet a Jessie from. Yes, near the greens are found. I could pay Jessie from, say, they said, my babu gate now. Now, be the one, ma'am. Obibu gate inquire, bonnie 245, I'm 48 bullets. Well, there's force to be who apply force to be there should be reasonable force. I want to say in the form of a self-defense. When me took me cry me phone in me to bow kwamia. And Rebecca said, in see, one for react, I was a woody ball who by him. Who could treat to her and I could treat Sikaya. Daddy be other catcher said we a excessive force. Because a bit too phone ball, so me didn't get anymore. Nothing there or one in 2 to her. e den ti na wo beto na wakasere wo boys so so wo monto fire finish am video no se mo enye me na make am video that bonting na mo system boys ne ka se kill am finish am it means you meant to kill me ni abu ame ne se kwa me na ye wo mo se me ti achiri and a driver echi me inti bullets no be brain na egu car no back seat on windows ni no na egu but ya me obu ame ne say man show wig and I'm a share. So I don't know from baby I know what we maybe a bear man I know who then you're not a rano the otchere. So I'm starting almost to a make coin in Pierce refuse to 2 connecting na thinking say I was in the back seat, the driver was driving, but not me and not me driving. It may be a bow or not and I'm praying say the investigation say say all I want from our justice system they say me I want justice.
See, honorable wunu yaketwa no Kojo Safo akofna wono na otre se o ma oda se wo mu shutu
fani wono mo gina ho bi na wote no na etuo ni gu na ni mu enye ono a anana ye obi fufura
no a
ye de amukọ adenta court na enye ono a anana ye obi fufura iti kwa me baby me kotu ye no wo ni eyi kwanta so na makọ na maba no abrofo ekoye mi surgery eyi pallet ni bullet wo mi trim and a glasses are now many egugu many nyina no all they kept asking they said how did I survive 48 bullets because I'm some mo be no omo ye omo my a gun no etuo no what type was it then and some of the bibi akoka nanim na anase mitiri no aman no so akoti so they wanted to know the type of gun the type of bullet no they say meaning the pictures na police kwache wo mo no bullets ne etuo na de gugu o manim and ye de ma before they were even allowed and they were even prepared to touch me almost bullet bia ne complications now stress for me mitiri ye de kwame nyame na osuma me papa ma ne ba sa so be ye papa ne ni da so ni papa e bewu ni e de Agyapade nyina e de amanu papa ne so wo Obama na sorry ma papa ne se ne Obama enifia ni nyanka asum no na asum ni no de Agyapade no over 60% de amawo when ni da so a ene atase na ato ebi mu no mo ye wan pebre bi amwa ene wan fa amawo e dan kukuruku esi wa ye adadiana ya yetna so papa wu a yetna se a ye dintia na ebusu ayi adofo e ba betia ye no maka ebia condolences e bi se umutu ene se bobu se se umutu mu ene wo so dia mani ma ni mo so mu ya asumfu ye me she mi ya media no na mu ka house help no omo nyom house help ni papa treat o mo se ono ani na ya simuma
sada no ode ama kakaka no de ma eye no sa nkofo abo omudi
anti wa wuti wa won pebre bi abona na wo hwe se ye de be ma wonti a wo sa do wa wo chikire bibia ni konkohwe se fie no gina tai fa fie o chikire benkum wa chikire nifa no wa chikire nanim nyina no de abo ne bo wi no de ahye ni mutu and then you show mutu mo de bo papa ne so wo de ama ne ma every na sini na mu wahwe wo mo ye ne adopted children how masum no mo maame no masum mo papa no masum asori ni o so de ache wo ntianu ntino ye ntwa yie ni mu na wo ko ye yie turu kendi ye be mo papa no a befitting barrier
ona basa ne ye be yie etidie be ne be ba pa because me hu video bi a em say so man sika kotua school fees o na oye video e de da wase se nkwala na da wase na edie ne be ba pa so be oda se me nua ba panin no papa kwa se no from mama eye nyina so from mama isa papa de ode to so nti me money tuo nkono die ne betimi esi
sefem na ya na usase umu posta ne so a ase finsiye me a woman ye me no na omusu me se me wu me ko me mabiu na me si me se ma ne ye de kwame me ta obi se amwasen na me be ma menya akukudro akọ me nuane ho anas ejie e de akọ ha me nkura hwe me fa me bodyguard nka ho me fa me driver nka ho ne say that video asema wo ken wo hwe date wo so me tell you you many encounter na yeah say oh bibia ya so bibia nti ya chi enko ye nim na ye kusia ne ba ho a wo de nkola na semba ya ye di ho agoro a wo beti ya wo koye it is to say adwene boni betimi abachim because wo betimi atumitu amane so atumitu it never crossed my mind na me adwene so esi mi trim me pesa me katre won eye enwade na ehu case na ipra wo me say me justice na me pay wo mama me justice because quite so what to na fun e dey me two bullet and wo kwa wo say oh man said that nanka bibi na aye na ma me to ye na me emremu ne ka no men car unarmed without a bodyguard without a driver no to me to 48 bullets na e dey rera meeting me no fa adameji me kwazo nyina me fa no na ye palace yi bullets ni be afinitim na what make us me say na wani na wo ye the law should take its course they should face the full vigor of the law. Nobody is above the law in Ghana. Na me yomu ni aba ana me yomu baba e ya tutu ni ya se wani ya se wutire ho na ya car mabo kwame so wa ni se me aboche etieti
e ka de wo bebo bi
here ni insurance me nti kromo nti ni insurance I paid everything from my pocket. Public sector hospitals, so because I know you do better to watch and when you papa I'm an actual. I went to a private hospital. Ato Forson and then Menyankwa. Mitina Muya Samutia Frisun and Tina the switch in Asodia. Any Attorney General, Ghana Police Service. Address of when you miss I want justice.
Na ona wo mamemre na nanu ye ne abusuapani ekasa ya wo no e kire se nanka abusuafo no eye papa abusuafo no pese wo mba behwe funu no na one wo mo na eye efunu no wo mo na wo mo dia na wo mo ba wo mo se wo aka kire wo mo se wo boka bi 3.7 million na sa sika no se ma ye dia ba bi abodi ni wo no hu release ma wo mo sankomo yi etisen
Kwame, we not for any within a diagra. Papa can be said when you move the no one long fork. Just a dinamna would be no one man a 10 would be a now would you no from when you. But almost I see a car body once them. They be honest is not story, Kwame. Almost now, on sister stations, the baby star for can send me message on Mahamadu what you what your Mahamadu. Maybe in farm woman. And I may my sister, yeah, look and answer some from. Not a pro, not a being so a deity. They be an answer some motive. Make me baby. Later you heard some the time I dating a crana. And Yanko for ye, Madonna, or they may be through Ghana. A giving me room. Aya me servicing maybe ya or the Nadaroma or the mother to Krumha. Well, there's no date na cry, no mini Krumha. And I'm call yes, through lawyers. I a fellow lawyer, Kwamija. Or a prof who's way than you. And I'm a professor lawyer. What's wrong, many lawyers to say? Baby, a Edrono. What could be a papa and some man so? Yes, me please. It's not a Samisia. Yeah, and a more yet to a table. There be a yet to an more to be a more here. And near money yaka. Dia Carbon, yet why ye in the soup. As someone money me lawyers the kind, and almost fly and I'm through that way, dear. And you almost move ye in the book and Winnie or more baby Andrew, any baby I ever was with dear. And then in Ghana. And there's a funeral planning committee. Or more planning for my dead 9. They see a ne or more planning. And I am not a member of that funeral committee because Papa being in Engineering Koso. See, money be also. Ebusia for be also. A friend paying for be also. And all my planning. And I made two for that friend woman say, yes, baby, I grew almost so that one why any in I a car of them we say. More friend paying for Council of Elders, more sorry for over 148 branches are make a party. Ah, Kweku Israel, one far from a piano need that, anti one branch people that. Moko Chabwa, my sorry for winning in an ometria and omedia betu, Mufutum.
Maybe I told me about 100 and something branches, you know, Wamako Chatwama, so baby, and Ometriana, Abato Hafutum.
Yara, and my branch is Yanni dear. And there's a 2 or in teachers Adwoa Safo 3.7 million into one TV. Main cost them will be at 3.7 million. And if a year almost a win or move back, dear good many more things. On my back, some man still moon some grab on Tia no crack. And the Amadwashi, Papa and Yanashi, and a many assuming ye. Not me to say, and you know the baby my bem say. Me mommy papa be fitting barrier. Me no backend. Baby, you pick up me could do the best my father gave me was the best of education. America school fees no wood here. England school fees no wood here. Then I won't go on with you. The best anybody can give you is education, and he gave me the best of education. If you want to know what to carry the ball, when I could be a moon, why disappointed? And I pass your taxi and see it so. It's a
we're no dear by yard, the uncle when Yantina, Sadia, you cost one.
May I touch your taxi and see it so? No could be a Sunadia when you touch in a papa, what you are saying, Nima, Sabi, and yet almost 3 Yasik. Na mumu o mabesumna o papa no masumna o mama asori na kina nti ono so de ache wo mu a wo anka tasiatasi enti uso na wakotena wo papa sie wo de akonya bi akwa akosi wo na wusimu na wo kekansem fe yesikrom ha e no no ne abusiafo kro ya akotena ekọ e se o mo ye press conference o mo se date o mo ma ye 25th of June se o mo koye doti kwa me wan sim bisre wa
mete pa
yes the what 25th of June yina na me ntuma na wo ho yina esi okay yente confusion ya busia ba ko do mo be ye dia yina no akotene yes ho me nwie ya ko si tent ba ko po fa kunya ba ko po ansi ko mu ampota ko si ye leye adadien aduane bruso wo bobo ne nsegu ne buso iseni demri fam sese be oba enya so mpanyimfo ni bi kan wo mu omo kapre amma daduane se wo mu jabo me so menye ne yenhwe kwame ipapanya nkopon ba asase we so a wo so anom ba ya wanwade agidi nhwetren Ghana ne bia tia pa na nyina ejina na chi maami akukudro maami aboafo e maami ya adaduane na mu hunu ye no obia kapre ni nia no ne kapre ni ne bo tent ni ekonya e na odi bloggers bi na chi e no si free ni ke mu ne yire ne ne ma no metena ase aso
eji wan fa kapre kwa me bo adaduane ayo
kapre eni busie ni bia kapre ni ni ene bi nua no aka ene ya dofo ene bo ayen ene ya adaduane saa na ye na duru so wa se 25th obi anka on hwe ye duru honom kwajo wa nya sika ansa ankosisi ankosisi tent ensi ngonya e ma 25th na twem 30th of July na ye koye doti yi 31st no kwa ni ye di akonia ba wo menhie nyina me papa oye de se kronkron free the kwai esefi esumenya de se ponka se epa wo timi nya ho nsise wo ma o se kokoso tumfo o se tutu de seke etiso a won ko ne na ase eni ne nkoye ye nhwehwei e ma ni poma kwan mu se ko de koye yi ye kama isia kwan ni nyina me nua yi e de ne sa se ne de fam fi a wada ni e dan nana ni e dan otumfo ni e dan no ni e sere no e san so brim pon ke se sa no kura no na bebre susu ese asante memu bebi ofre ho na yenko de yenko prade ni na ya mama ho ni ma na e ko yiye wo kan aboto abia ko kan aboto sem na impenswa eti ya se papa na na se yenfa ni konfanti memu ni yenko dan ni na me ni ye di bia ki dambo biaka si ye ko kuma se si ye di crazy ne ku ye ka mu ko si ye ko ya mama ye ko ye se se ska no fom ye di ye wo ni abusua na ne mu gwe na wo se mo atwabu Mukapre enkahu. If I'm saying it to them, say they have no locus. It doesn't lie in their bottom. So mukapre na wo mufi. Wonu ni papa fie no wada so tse. Wako fe kunya bi or ahine kunya bi ati wo papa fie ni wati fie du. Akotena e blow that.
Baby a oti sese ya na ye papa Safo fie.
Eye me papa fie no wote. Wote wo papa fie be si ne. Wakotena kunya mu mukapre ni ye nhihye mu e ka ya bo he. Now we say President Mampanyi Mahama say clean your front here omo you be a general cleaning kwame mpacho amaso
pa
woko TikToker wakotina billboard bi adim no cleaning no gina ho na wo gu ni mu asese to pay last respect to ne papa me so kwame me fa we fidie so bi sa wo no say billboard na me mountain e ti ho no woni kwaya fa so billboard ni be ti ho wako gina anim e na wo pay ni last respect woni kwaya billboard ni fa so e be ti ho kuma se de Accra nyi na ya mountain billboard e kire se 30th na o tu fo de ni stamp fi so se sa da no wa ma ye kwan ti en kwaya papa ti wo se ni wan se wo ti fu papa fi se me de mu wa kunyemu me twem kuma aka premi woma yetu anamo akwakoje amamre ni akwantere wo na otumfo se tutu ho no na wonka ho intimate me katre Christmas afuni bia wutie me se wo do papa ye kokora papa echi brother kan ye hunu ye kokora ne chi enne hu ne wabusia no eja busia side no free mu kokor na nya kwato ko na de ngara chitu so me enko si wo hiri sa wo ye leader officer afọ Wow, I can't what I fikiri. What I fikiri. What are not when you're going to be a sibling rivalry. Seriously, sibling rivalry. What's your papa see Henny? And I am the was in the peninsula. Or he is sitting pretty.
Are you honorable? No press conference, Kojo Akufo Addo. Na wo ka se will no mu no papa ne se wo no na enye yie na wo no so se wo na head of Kweku Asafo church sa na will no ka na eno wujitu mana dabi
kwani ena me ka se woni yi for Atigya no mamolo for kwani mremu no wo obi ye nsaman so na ye kone ye kokane a Some the two trust them when in 19 and my kind one run young papa. Because baby, I know what to 20 and Okunia such as a I make Papa did be the Janitania to Ukumi and Ubing and Mungo be a Sunamon Henry. No, my sumo me. Not me, Ben with Omma, and so see as the main Kwahubian, he could be so. Now, your cocaine will be some and so via Army. Yes, baby probate. And what I was saying, court there. Now, quite applying it, and no ever mouth to me, and I ever mouth will lead to me a man yet, yet come Mubiano. Said it, and yen a swore wombremo. And so, I people no be a tro, I know the alcohol. Miss Reddy saw no any lawyers and answering penny for it. That a probate application on my yet the ama woman. And now, Kwame. Na omo ba ye se omo be ni e be camp mo ti ka be ne yabo no mo tro me lawyers so e respond so ye ni omo be camp mo ka se ni yabo ni en twa so na de ne ye na bibia enkwa so bi mu no na me so sister bi ni ano be ye responsible for once in his life na wa boy run it them say no sika ni emu fa na me papa si mi fie no na me mi fie no I'm throwing that challenge omo run it them ho na on ka sika ni fa wo mufiu fa wo dede second question I'm going to be deciding and say, a 6 month day na no one in a papa here. A day and the papa whom ye muno. na me Adwoa Safo na mitina ho na enye wono nti na body abedi me ho body ni ko wi ai na woni fie na ko wi ai
aka mi bebu sa say na body ni kura bedi wo ho sa be no wo yi
papa ho do no ene ye de ni kwa asipiti ho no kura no wo kwadwo wo ba ho a baby ya papa ni da na wontimi ma ho na ntimi mfuru papa ni ti odin a o si ye ma wo nko mo ma men kan semu where is hot da wo ba oni nam fam ho a na wo beta me cho se ni nko me ani old boy nkasa na nu de ne nek ka hello nchire ni kakra the man even on his sick dying bed didn't want to see your face
yeah ade na ayi kwadwo akofuna Safo akofuna eya na ma papa ne mpe no mpe nanim ahwe kora eje ye betie bia na ye suso ye tie honfo
mo misa no se body no na na ni fie e na me ma be wia abusuafo e kasa asimanyafo no so mo misa mo sei papa eda ho na ade no wan kan se me se me mfre wo mo mra wan ka se me mfre busuan nim bia mra any security for and they would dig na wo mu betu tuo no if they are head of security or that kind of Korea the last time papa can see him coffee na ma sana me ntia na twini nyina nti na mani eku ti makwa da e wo ka mu se me that 2 hours e no wo mu di America ba ho se papa e se me mta the friend wo ka mu bisa ka ka ready nyina no wo wen ade na de papa friend do wo no wo mra ade na hospital so me na oje mu woni ni sabuti a me na me de call mog e di entia ada me ya fo no ada papa no ntimi mo ni din so ni ono na wo yen oni mu yen nyina edi ada na o ka se mo ko fra wo mre me mo fra ma me sara mre me e na me ko ho no iti body no man go wia e na yin nipa ba ko at customary law and I'm prepared to contest them in any law court under our customary law ebusia and the kambomu and the fie nipa and the question you ask yourself and nipa no fie wo mudi enade and wo mudi ejade nso pa ho me yanse wo tufu ani Asante edi na dia na edi nyade o yen fanko o wini ho no mo a o sia me wo court ho enipa ba ko esia na sometimes I pity the lawyers I try to who esia o mo man advice dia because o mo anu nkuro bi na o mo bo wo law ni lawyer ba ku timi so wi tina ho me papa lawyer o try ne ho akọ tina mi nia na ti mi nia ne lawyer o ba we oni mo me na me e da kida o se ko jina Afriyie ni mo se ya sorry lawyer. Isn't that conflict of interest? Ghana Legal Bar, Ghana General Legal Council. Isn't that conflict of interest? As our boy, no multi like to. When you papa interest or be interested, who could you know kakra no free war? No one could you know kakra no free war? No one could you know kakra if you war? We will petition the General Legal Council. Say in our practice and ethics, a lawyer cannot behave like that. Who do you could you know a who represent you bia and I'm Akufo lawyer no we do me ya first lawyer me na we on meji na mu aye de no wasa ko jina me na be sorry nti conflicting interest e wo mu nyina wo yo bia lawyer how where does it work enye Ghana ha ehi ne ade we eti nti kwa me kasa ya ya tentine 30th 31st enye wono ene se date no ena onyo ene betena ni fi me papa fi ho no de otunye bi esi wono so wo ye leader no
yet was a get a bar mod invitation abba a yawada Thursday and a Friday no papa a basso
life and colored a basso life and colored and I'm reminding on one in the boys to say they are not yet yamono they are under a bond to be of good behavior. Yeah, throw to Ghana Police Service to give us the protection. Yeah, throw to all the security agencies that yeah, cry your papa that way. In Pennyfo and Rami, Betru, ya free phone. So, Adwoa, we got the invitation. What is happening? Is it coming on? The Speaker of Parliament, the flag bearer of the NPP, the Chief of Staff of Ghana, the former Chief of Staff, the former Leader of Parliament, the Leader of Parliament. Me and they, bibia ntenye hu nkrofo na wo ne ebusuafo 3 bi ti ufi ho na amobɔ no papa no wabɛbɔ bra so na ɛyɛ mo se mo bɛyi yɛ wei abegu mani mu ase na adwo aka sɛ ɛne ma te me ho madane ama mo mo akɔyɛ bibi tro kan dia papa baby a oba me bɔ bra kodu yɛ no I'm willing to give him a visiting burial
na yewe abusuapani na ene ni di nkomo nso from Asuminya area ho no wono nso be kan se dabi abusua na ye ayiye no nti em se o mo so ne unu aketwa nana Kwaku Safo akufuna aka abom se wo mo so wo mo ye press conference se de wo mo yo yi nti wo mo ne fam wo no so wo ma reach out to you
so mo ye yi wo mo ka 25th no ma ye nyina ya dress ye ko na pata no kwa ye mo ba ko na kunya ba ko nti ase kwa you be surprised say get the potent no be bobia we independence square o be tutuntu ma be kana ase because me o ma ye bia ma mahunu da adabia nan say ya who be say we are na say no way so adabia nan mu twetwe sika ma sorry fu nyina all the branches some de be ye papa adabia nan obia ama ye kapre ene ye koye ya ade o mu tutuntu ma be kana ase tata say we see ye ito mo ya ye date no ya hosere ho tunfo no de ama ye ye be kura papa adam impanyinfo a ye be nyina beba omu wie no mpeso mkobo nkro bi wo ba bia nobody can stop them they can go ahead and do that ni omu di problem kra
na ba ko na ye hwe ne se ye kenkan we no ye kenkan bi kura wa ha na pede ye nya ye kenkan ye no wa bose Kwaku Safo akufuna enye na yie na busuafo no pa o betimi ababi bia no so no gina so a wono so pede we no wono so ka se ona be ye yie ni date no wompene no ne ade
date no wompene baby o ti kwame ye itinka wanko biye we no so ehu se ye so na enye yie na mo ani yetu nyina na no wonka ho no so bi obe ye yi
da bia de no onse de
oh da bi o papa se ye yie ko biye wo se ye yie si wo bia na we devoted why you ready so be see wo papa no ka bibia ye bia na mo bia ye tu bia bibia ni wono ma ye ya ye mfre no ye family platform wo da so bi ni ye ko ha ni na wo hwe wa kota baby iti ene wa ko bia we so nti afi na wo ko start all over again papa na da what say that was the 3 months ago Addo I see language na papa ko o ada Afriyie it's Afriyie wa ko bia we on the school ena wo be start all over again another 3-4 months na papa ne da ho ni e twen wo yeti ana ye ne se no asori so wo munti museum and that was papa's way CNC museum me empani too and no kura no mutu bi ko gina asori dem se me na master that me ensie papa meanwhile you knew say there was a construction going on ye ko sie no be bia ono a o tia sie nyina wa ka se me ni wa munsi mi wo museum ni munsi museum kese na mo family too and building such a big edifice we needed time ni nyina mutu ko gina so ino maka Adwoa Safo na eme yenye yi Adwoa Safo na eme yenye yi meanwhile ni mo fino mo planning committee your friend is saying committee na museum committee mo ko tena ho de bia ye meeting si dan no and the dan na be si wo system so what changed our language in Africa you say papa na ho nche won you be start bibia afresh and you can do it in 2 days or 3 days the amount another 6 months never planning a new thing where does this happen it's been the main challenges here you want see no it's na make can yes see no why them or boy ra with them who can you ko na me see simple
it is like o ti be kura kopa no be ka se Adwoa wo de ba bia ye duro no we no se mi na me nsie me nya busuapani na me nsie na mo wo ka waboni som na bra yie ni bi na me take up de aka e ka beti ase
na inkurobo na omo bo no mo se obi o betini aboyra ne dem na ko kwayi ye press conference be bigi matema na mi yi ayenye ye moka kwame yi ayenye da ye nsanda ne boka
o dabi
hey billboard no ko gina animu no a o ba so o mane papa last respect billboard sabe me na ma na me kwatam wo fom na me ko si wo no o be gina anim so o pay last respect and I said me na mo na me sister fom sika e na me di ko duwezi ko kanda honom Weja Kwan so Kasua everywhere, Kokumasi everywhere. You mounted billboard, and then you sit there and say, "Well, what in the probate? Obey probate now. We are the money to me. Say, "Well, Baba, ye." Now, my mama, my papa, be fitting barrier because me so or two suffer me see young friend me free care run the best man. I will tell home me what me mean Temuno. Minimum some my papa de me kind. It will be our uncle company crew. Me so me yamidi.
Mama na eji ne kura mu Ghana for na yes for relate your way wa unua be ma ha de unim se ya wada baso live Friday baso live
all road leads to Gomwamputa on the 31st all road leads to Independence Square on the 8th all road leads to Pempa Assembly Hall yakoye na fie ni ye finito.
Gracias. Me we are me Benjamin tuma me so me be frano. Why?
Me to my birthday am boka ma ye. That you into obey you have what other started year after. Does it really make sense? Me me put to fool.
Well no. After a year you be contest the way no say be a baby or wa. As I said, we almost son on near the idea. Pay the papa ye ni na no. Would you too? Well, no.
Okay, me pass on to see them focus. You know, if you have a mental answer, you crop up on it because no, and I am a priority right now. And you know, the Jawudi, and I went Yawudi. Near me, person me yen right now, I am a priority. I say, you bema papano at the setting barrier. Now, at the Diana is almost stressing me. A jabo me so. But when so they are taking me through the same process. A job on me so. Nyankopon come home. Where ye aboa for Owusu yi. Who ha obi abebe who ha no bia so. Me che we 100 packs. Who ha me che we say. That papa ensa no adwuma tie. Wo jabo me so a obi ye aboa for. E boba pa na gu abontene for obi nya dan ni nipa. So omo ko catch the for makra say mo ma me enkra omo papa na tikra na me say papa wo tu mi so odane mmba enipa mo be ye dom e wo na yi asese na nimunyam. I put that challenge to them.
Mami musa say wo nuanu no yi Nana Kojo Safo akofuna free wa wo mo maka nyina support wo
Mpato say
wo yi Nana Kojo Safo akofuna free wa Wunianum no maka nyina support won.
Me ba say nyina ye ko benkro e wo ye papa kra ye be kra na ki nyina ye ko benkro.
Oh okay. Na just na you wo ba ye nso no watimi aye senka ne akofuna be hia because first no kan say date no mo hye ne once san kra. Na afa de na afa de date no aduru so aka ya wada fiada ne aye na afa de na dwena sesen
kwame wo se me san ko hia no e wanyene e dia na ba me 100 bullets I want me calm this time they are not man survive kwame me pa cho a first food you can say first food is a food second food is a food na third food dey na just we should me 40 na 248 nyame na yiwe free mu wo sa ko gina na mbubu ano akopedien wo no about 100 bullets na wawu I think I'm a macro family born in Sammy. I'm going to mommy where did you where the movie that Sabe.
It's in a chess, Yanya announcement in this. So be a wuti OKFM biano, Muamufra Brochere ba, Muamu Ghana ha, sorry ni bi wo Benin, ebi wo Cote d'Ivoire, ebi wo Togo, ebi wo Nigeria, ni miahu na no, wo bia bukatem na bra na eye na eba so, Yanya announcement sa.
Sa pepe kura bedu dada bebre kura wo man ni mu dada omo e wo mo an mu so aya hoboa dada entoma no mo bia to ne de obia ya hoboa nti ontena ne fie o pe omra na de bia nan no ba ya ne na kunya si ho ye be ye na kunya so yo ba no wa betena se ye papa yi
e say bia wo ba sa busuan pani o
there na we ya mo kan ende busuan pani okay busuan pani ada na we okro na mo ni this way leader of Christasa ada papa no o make any words wo we no say anokro na e kan say wa ye we busuan pani sa anokro na ada na wan ka say o ye leader mo hwe yin no o ye ni leader
Baby, every day slow say on back to a bar, one to a baby. Now, one more manu, dear Bako at the
the amended constitution, Article 12, they amended Article 26, and also, you will work for me. Sounds on a better two. Sounds on a better two. When a feature is a leader of the church, it doesn't make you know one put on a feature because Miss me.
I see.
He will come to every
say Thursday and the day because so and a Friday and so.
Now, Duma, Thursday, no, na burial service. Thursday, Nankasa, no, na yebe crapapa, a day emuna suho, na a one studying na. And after the search, no, na funeral, no, the funeral, no, the Aba Independence Square. Nti a hono so no, yebe to send ye, yebe bon sawa, and no, yebe. Now, on the 8th of August, na Yakukumase, Prempeh Assembly Hall. Initially, as I say, Heroes Park, but funeral committee now try almost changes kakra into a Prempeh Assembly Hall, Ewukumasi, a hall, a Santa Papa, a Asante Bediatuo. Nyakwa yakodenya miasi. Abrabo didn't buy a child, didn't betray a unique Ghana mine now, but and then Radiasi said what did name Akoto you're celebrating a life. No, you're farming. Papa, not that white check, what bread, your background. What that white check is the young crown. We know Nipa Bako phone tea. And then you say, after you want it, and money na ya no Kwabrani Bako, as it means penny, penny, a possible.
Uncle Ship one pa. And yet, Mamma knows no more quaba pa. Why?
Kwame wa hu ni abana, wabana, unzi, abwa, pabuekunu. No way, utuni tuo ne kano no enya ne nkunu aya ne yeka so wounded lion, right?
Right.
Anka wo timitio. Anka wo kumya fiate asofo asase so ne we nyamfofo amana mmem. Nti ma wo nye na adwen so wo ba be ye tutu asem bia we yie na se. We call the law enforcement agencies nina. He is under a strict bond. Many boys now mo etuo hihye wo mo ho na mo di tie tutu asem no. They are all under a bail bond to be of good behavior. It won't be a yenatrini or be yet to trust and be our honor because the law will take its course. It won't ma on too many fees. What will be a tick to about the dibony, with Dibonia and Ram and any baby.
And what would a bamboo from what was secure said the bamboo my phone and Ram boy and woman will be a Webba Bonibiana and Marabe.
Exactly, Sape.
Mammy now I say about you.
Well, in fact, I'm Smith. I was sick. My
cousin say, a yep, power, and what they were waiting the Ginemu. Aye, ye.
Kwame, look at Mukana met Nadia Bay a year now, may you. And what day be a Yameho. I mean, no, because I may be good anyone may be no more some year no credit a yama sense. I've gone through a lot of pain. I've gone through a lot of surgery. Yankupon they give me free moon. But that notwithstanding, the person my mommy papa be fitting burial. And that is exactly what I mean. If you have a sack of shot me one yareta, I are their own porticaca. Yeah,
a bread tree called Chimune, or body musano, affected they affected pan a heifer.
Kwame, there was one of the bullets. A bomb it was very they imagine if your mind didn't go to a manoneno. Usually, that surgery no more bad a year. Omubema anesthesia. I think you have a wada. Na omuti no mudi efidi na ye. Into me go to here now, we hear all the scans, all the MRIs, ni yamani in every year, we detected the type of a tuning yama kisemunina. Kwame, I did that Yama Yabe surgery, no. Many are because Kwame, it's me, what's me to me, and I didn't mean amen, Mrs. Sana, the Achi. India was happy to almost your mobile, so mobile, almost the infection about him. Now, it's very close to my brain, and one of my brain imaginable. If you enter another 3 days now, mommy, a true inflammation, no, and I say, oh, I infected, no, enco. That ya only move for 3 solid days. And mobile, be wa. won't see. Said you bay adrenaline on this and ya, or Mubayano. Putting me to sleep, almost me muffle anesthesia. Into almost who can create almost friend the doctors no. Ain't Kwame, yeah, pay me 3 million Hey, and I'll share the videos with you. Oh, I saw what I said that I mean trophy in here, man. Kwame, I'll share the video. I mean, if I pay you no or kunya baby da via. I will share the videos with every Ghanaian. Number bisa was sister, me you near bar. Uncle, you me say Uncle Beode. Many go to Kwame. Near the second extra me 3 months. Many go so near if some metal, near the farmer, the machine did the thing. Me, many go to make came and me so. You Dr. Nasamo say, you're a very brave woman. Very brave woman. In the papa and I become a woman in Yakuku to have gone through all those surgeries.
See, na, eti wamo eye wie ye no. Na afei wo ho ankasa te sen.
Omo ye no, so mo ye bia. Kane no omo ye surgery sana, omo epam. But I want to say because I am trim money, many money way no. Almost better or more bepam. And since a baby, a beggar, a kucha, into a mobile clip, or more clippy. Into Kwame, who me up bar, or more pie me no. You're so between one, I am to set paper no. To say what print idea a free paper, no factly a stapler, now a staple. Into me, no, not me to say a clips, no, a clippy. I didn't know what they know, it's a stapler. Or more allow ye, Emma, any pabaku or video be dear. If you saw me tin one, I clip it to send a clip paper. If someone I clip it to send a clip it. Niminano, Nine, me big kuso, and I make cost our yawning. So I've been through a lot. Which means that's not over a comfort of zone, Ninano, not a funeral comedy, a yenetuma. What the blow boat Mukabidia with Net2 to shut down a coyote.
Party. Mamma was a pa and Alfonso Wamuti and now Wamuya Wabe, send I won't country the general public, no. Now, Faye, I didn't come here, baby.
I mean, I make us general public, no matter for you now, and send me to 50 years. Empire or more time at you or do. A man, I'm in Ghana hospital. Ghana has in Kwame transfer me from Mekoda 3 different hospitals. You had the Mekoha, a year near the Makwa, near the Makoha, finally. And I'm a bush for a woman on the year said no. And what's it? A kind of so maybe. Now, yet 20 women before they lose me. And I said, maybe I'm a boy, and I'm a quite Ato Forson, a pega made them a call ye, a boy me, medro tomu. The hospital bills are me to you now. Made the woman you now see. I mean, himself, Yamena was small apostle emeritus Kojo Safo Warns. At the young one Juma, at that boy, young Kanye Visia, a man at the boss are padded to one. It's Rana with Sina me papano, a woman some papa in the home, so the same sanity out creating an eye so. Now, the Yamiko and the Ananka is a family say Pianameba. Name away Yamiko, Yamikind, and buy the Yini free. And I'm a dassote at the Asafo with the Mia Coupon, papa. If you tell me if you tell me or say if you tell me Yari. Well, let's look at that you are not see a bear margin. Nature man from man caught full anesthesia and so much or we end up for country and I shall be a vegetable for the rest of my life. See, many good so about it here. Nay, a pie me to the near clippy me to the so many places. Because I pity a good baby and I can say about na a set to the motor. Many more pity I say many money now. It's a Miomia about a year. It goes to the Attorney General. It goes to the Ghana Police Service. All I'm asking for is justice. Nobody is about the law in Ghana.
Now, yes, already I won't kind of fear some kura.
Kwame, me wa mau. Me wuya anka wane be me ma. Kwame. Me masu sawo. Obi eni wonu wa wie university na wako university ko me masu sa. Me wuya anka mo be den mo ba ba min na ne ho na mo be pa me cho. No. Obi anani da ho wodi bone o wo menhia. What put me three more %? I'm shooting this person to kill 48 times in a car. That person should be charged with attempted murder and not vigilantism, possession of illegal weapons. me omoba and komobe charge for that offense. If I'm told that the docket has reached the Attorney General's office, it means the Attorney General's department. Yes, for year into year, all I'm asking for is justice. And to trust them more, if we let them go off the hook, be a bit near for 2 organa to trust them, no, I ride over the law, no, what they have to face the full vigorous of the law. The full vigorous of the law. Lord, and Rana Edia Juma Wukumhan.
Start your mamma, I say.
Come in, Miss Medas, and soon on Pai boy. No, me too, Canina, that
the Mababa show why.
But your Matimira.
Bye. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo, former MP for Dom Kwabena, na Oyemrenimuni, and the Nena Atwoa and Komono.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.